cash buyer secrets. And in this video, I'm gonna talk about what they want to hear. So now, again, remember, we have realtors, we have contractors, we have rental owners, and we have other wholesalers. Now, what do they wanna hear? Every single one of those groups wants to hear instant equity. Okay, so we'll talk about this when we show the email marketing and how we blast that out and frame that. But ultimately, they wanna see the location, they wanna see the spread, they wanna see how much profits can be made. And so your job, and we'll go over this again more when I show you guys the template here in the coming videos, but your job is to make it incredibly easy, almost instant, for them to see that it's an amazing deal, that there's a ton of equity, that's gonna be a really easy project for them, and they need to jump on it right now. And that's what's gonna get you to be able to move your properties. How do I want to frame it? Well, if you know there's tenants in it for a year on a long-term lease, you might want to start positioning it. You know, it's got a great rent, tenants have been in here, they take great care of it, and there's existing equity. Rent it, make great cash flow for a year, and flip it next year right away. If it's month to month, you might be going, I know this is a great flip, and you might be framing it, it's occupied, but the tenants are month to month. Close it, give them 30-day notice, and crush the flip. You don't have to do anything, okay? So making it really simple, I can tell you right now, if you have a good deal and you send it to the right buyer, but it doesn't grab their attention, it could slip right through the cracks. Because buyers are kind of lazy and they're kind of already programmed from other wholesalers that when they see an off-market deal come across their email, they've already been programmed to think, their first thought is it's probably not a good deal. They've seen a lot of these wholesale deals come through that aren't great deals, okay? So your job is to get their attention and keep leading them down the path of looking at the property closer and closer and closer and deeper without finding a reason to go, nope, I knew it was too good to be true, and moving on with their day. And the way we do that is we show them the spread, we show them the location, we show them the pictures, we give them a bullet point of the key facts. 3-bedroom, 2-bath, it's got a huge lot with a nice back patio, it's in great condition, it's a newer house, etc., right? And then we paint what they want to do with it. So they want to hear instant equity. They want to hear amazing condition. They want to hear huge spread. Okay, these are the things they want to hear. Say stuff that is different from every other wholesaler out there. It'd be a great rental property. A lot of times to cash buyers, that's code for there's not really enough equity here to flip it or do anything else with it. So hopefully somebody wants it as a rental property, right? And so I'm not saying never position one, but position it because it really is. We talked about that in one of the last videos because it really is a great deal as a rental property. Maybe it's a hot area for cash buyers because it's low prices but high rents, good mixes, and there's hard to find anything even that comes on the market. That one might be good, but if you're way back of what they do come from, even when they do hit the market, that's going to be that much better even as a rental property. And if nobody wants it as a rental property, now you can sell it as a fix and flip as well. So guys, tell them what they want to hear. It's going to help you a lot. Don't lie. If it's not there, that means or you got to sell too hard or frame too much and you're like, I feel like I'm pushing something, promoting something within my property that really isn't there. That's a sign that really you probably are just paying a little too much for it and you might need to go back and work the seller a little bit more. Now, I'm not to say that you think it's a good deal, it looks good, send it out to your buyer's list and let them decide, okay? If you know it's a great deal, you need to work on your buyer's list. If you think maybe it's a great deal and they're not biting, maybe it wasn't as good of a deal as you thought. That's what we call 50-50 files, okay? And if it flies off the shelves, then you're doing it right. And get all the money and keep doing it and keep pumping as many more properties as there as you can, dispositioning them for top dollar as quickly as you can. And guys, when you send it out to this list, the way we're gonna show you with your overnight cash buyers list, you have that many people looking at it. If there's more money on it to be made, you're gonna have multiple people right away saying, I want it. That's where you can look at going, hey, we have multiple people that want it, and maybe pushing the price up a little bit. The way we do it, guys, we price it right, we structure it right, we tell them what they want to hear. Part of telling them what they want to hear is pricing it right. If you price it too high, that right away is getting them to move on, right? So the lower the price is in relation to what it's worth, the easier it is going to sell. But you're always playing the fine line of making it a good deal for your cash buyers so that they'll buy it, but also getting as much money as you can on the property.